Welcome to my shop. What do you want? Beagle. Beagle? I got the beagle. Dad, there's a beagle in your phone. You got money. Thanks. Bye-bye, beagle. Oh no, my shoe is broken. What I gonna do? Oh, I have you. Okay. What do you think for my dog? Don't go to dog. Yeah. Ouch. See, money goes. Yeah. Thank you, JJ. You fixed my shoe and you're welcome. I'm number one. I'm number two. I'm number three. I can show in a funny face. I can do the funny face. Ulit, hindi ko makita. Ah.